Pakistan's Supreme Court has removed the Prime Minister, Nawaz Sharif, from office in a unanimous verdict over corruption allegations that will further upset the country's unstable political landscape. The verdict by the five-member court caps a year of political controversy over corruption allegations unleashed by the 2016 Panama Papers leak. Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. The biggest leak ever. Panama Papers video explainer. The governing party, the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz (PMLN), said Sharif had stepped down immediately. The party must now choose an interim prime minister to be accepted by parliament. The ruling will throw the governing party and the country at large into turmoil ahead of elections due next year. The 10-year disqualification of Sharif cut short the third tenure of a man who has been a leading figure in Pakistani politics for nearly 3 decades since his first term from 1990 to 1993. It is the most serious political ramification yet of the Panama Papers leak, which detailed financial dealings of the Panamanian law firm Mossack Fonseca. The papers linked Sharif's children to the purchase of London property through offshore companies in the British Virgin Islands in the early 1990s. At that time, the children were minors, and the purchase is assumed to have been made by Sharif. Last year, Sharif told Parliament that his family wealth had been acquired legally in the decades before he entered politics. Hassan Askari Rizvi, a political analyst, said the judgment had been expected. The big challenge for the PMLN party would be to maintain unity while finding a candidate who would be acceptable both within party ranks and to a majority of parliament, he said. At least in the short term, the ruling is a big win for the opposition leader, former cricketer Imran Khan, who has been relentlessly calling for Sharif's removal since the beginning of the scandal. Khan's political fortune has improved after this ruling, and he will try to cash in on this, Rizvi said. Khan called for a public rally on Sunday. In a press conference after the verdict,